Okay, Ed, this is the whistle tender, the new base, new wheels, new pickups, right? Uh, I've re-oiled, cleaned this all up, brushes. This is my test base right here. I'm just waiting for the horn to clean up. I've had it in water for like 24 hours. I've already gotten like 1 million bugs out of it. I think it's just about cleaned out. This is the horn. I put it in this thing under running water. You wouldn't believe how many bugs came out of this thing. Alright, and I don't want to get any water on the lens, but hear it? Sounds pretty good now. Alright, I don't want to get water on the thing either, so I'm going to take this off and give it a hold here. Okay. Okay, I got the horn properly dried out. No more bugs coming out of it. I guess they travel in, don't get back out. Make sure your power transformer is unplugged from the wall and everything. Alright, I'm going to try to reinstall this right now. I just use this as an insulator for testing. Yeah, what I did with the canned air too is I put some oil down behind the fan, then I blew it in there with the canned air, and it seemed to quiet it down. Might have got some oil into the bearing. Alright, and I'm going to unscrew this. Take my horn thingy here. I'm doing this on an angle, so it's not the same as actually working on it. Try not to block you out too much. Now, I'm not sure for certain. Let me show you something over here. If you do want to take the impeller off, it says not to pry it off with a screwdriver. I believe what you do is take the nut plate off, pull it with your fingers, then you take a drift, keep your fingers there, and kind of pull it out, and use a driver to drive it out while holding it. I'm not sure. I've never done it. I don't want you to damage your equipment, so probably better off bringing it to somebody who's done it before to show you. Unless you have one that you really don't care about and you want to learn how to do it. Alright, next thing is I'm going to hook it back up here. There we go. Make sure that's good and tight. Try not to, I shouldn't need this underneath anymore so it doesn't drown. Yeah, okay. Move this around this way now. I like to keep my hardware on a magnet. That way I don't lose it. Finger start everything first. So you're not cross-threading anything. Learned that from working on airplanes. Tighten that sucker back up. Doing it left-handed where I normally would do it right-handed, so that's why it looks a little awkward. I don't want to block out the, not give you enough light to, so you can actually see what's going on. Still in there? Yeah, okay. I'm gonna get in there. I'm going to turn this off for a second. Alright, doing this right-handed really helped me. I got them all firmed up now. They're on. Okay. Let me take a look here. Right there. Everything's ready. There's an oil wick right here. You drop oil into it. You get my Lionel oil in there. Here. Just do a little shot in the top middle here. You don't want to put too much because you end up fouling up your brushes. Now we're ready for a test. Alright, so I'm going to plug in the transformer after I hook this up here to my test track. Alright, the transformer's hooked up. Power whizzed off on the transformer. I'll bring it up to like 14. Oh, I didn't turn it on. Strip on. Turn the strip on here. Wait a minute. Up to about 14. I could try this. Hey! I think we're in business. Okay. We're in business. We got a yep, we're in business. Try it one more time with the horn relay here. Works fine. Okay, it was the bugs inside. I guess it's like one of those traps that they get in, they can't get out. So, got another working horn whistle tender.